ordinary night, security camera 7 inside an underground parking lot captured something no one has been able to explain. The timestamp reads just after midnight. Several people are seen near a parked vehicle and everything appears normal. Then, a bright circular anomaly suddenly forms in the middle of the parking lot. One person stops nearby, staring directly at the phenomenon. For a few seconds, the figure appears frozen, as if unsure whether to move closer or run. The ring continues pulsing, filling the parking lot with a harsh, white glow. Moments later, the person moves away, and the anomaly begins to shrink. The glowing circle collapses into a small point of light and disappears. The parking lot returns to normal, but the footage left behind raises one question. What opened in the middle of that lot?